Alright, hello, my name is Richard, and today we're going to be solving some math problems as requested by you guys over at the OneClass website. If you require any more additional help with your homework or any other tutoring services, be sure to check out the links in the description below. So, with that being said, let's get started with this set of problems. So, first off, as we can see here for our first question, we're presented with 4 different graphs, and we're asked which graph best represents this function f of x. So we write out f of x right now as f of x is equal to 0.5 times 4 to the x. And the good thing about these kind of problems is that you can generally just test each of the points that they give us for each of the graphs to determine which graph best represents f of x. So that's what we're going to do for this problem. So for answer choice A, we're going to go through each answer choice individually, but we're going to plug and test the points and see if they do agree with f of x. So first, at x equals 0, we're going to evaluate the function for answer choice A right here, this graph. So we're going to get 0.5 times 4 to the 0, which will just give us 0.5. And as you can see here, the point is very close to 0.5, but we have to keep going and test every other important x value on the graph. So we're going to test out f of 2 because that is the next x value where we have a point right here. So plugging in 2 into this, we get 0.5 times 4 to the second is equal to 8. Alright, and then we can look at our graph and we can see that yes, this point actually does lie on 8. So far so good. Afterwards, we're going to test the final x value, which is at x equals 3, and at x equals 3 we're going to evaluate this function. So this is going to be 0.5 times 64, which is 32. And as we can see right here at x equals 3, this function does return a value of 32, and it's graphed at 3, 32, so I would already go with answer choice A being the correct one. Now, just to make sure that we're right, we're going to go through the other graphs and see any other problems. So evaluating the function at, for example, x equals 0 right here for answer choice B, we see that it's giving us a value of around 4 at x equals 0, but as you can see by this box right here, we did find that it's 0.5. So we can rule out answer choice B for that reason. And then looking at answer choice C, we evaluated f at the x value 3 over here, and it's not 8 as it says in answer choice C. It's actually 32. So we can rule out answer choice C as well. Then we can look at answer choice D, and once again, we can see that f of 2 in answer choice D is said to be 32, but it is 8 in our case. So for that reason, we can rule out answer choice D. So answer choice A is the correct answer choice for this problem. And just looking through what was said in the written response, it seems like it's on point. And yeah, this is an accurate answer right here, saying that answer choice A is the only correct option. So I'm just going to write that the solution is correct. Good job. Okay, and mark it as correct.